Something a bit different for Blippers today. We found a nice barn find Wolseley 1885. We've had the V5 through now, and it was only a two-owner car from new. I think it was the guy that's doing it. I think his sister had the car originally, and when she took it off the road, the brother bought it with the purpose to do it up. You can see in the roof of the garage all the bits and bobs, loads of stuff. I'm hoping as we drag it out we'll find all the bits for the car. I can't see any reason why he'd want to throw them away. Looks like he's done some repairs on it already, new wings and new front on there. Obviously not painted it, so it's a bit of surface rust, but it's not too bad really. The engine's still in there, water pump looks like it's off with all the hoses, but really very, very solid. All the inner wings are very good. So it's the 1800 engine, 1885. There's the wheel trims, the hubcaps to go back on. But it's got a lot of potential, The 1885. I think they called it the Land Crab. I'll have to check that out, but I'm pretty sure it's the Land Crab. There's the surface rust on the wings. Should just a bit of a nibbing off before it gets resprayed, and it's not too bad at all. So the interior as well. That's the other passenger seat that is put into the back, and the bench seats are up in the roof space of the garage. So we dragged it out, got it recovered, and we're just going to take it to where its final temporary resting spot is while we go through it and sort it out. But nice little project. First chance really to have a look under the vehicle while it was on the flatbed, but quite impressed. Not a lot of welding that's going to need doing. Probably give it a good under seal. Obviously the exhaust might need a new exhaust and brake pipes, but it looks very, very solid under there. Looking forward to getting stuck into it.